What's going on, Garys? Welcome back to the COOORRREEY YouTube channel and to another Kang episode of Kang Vlogs. Subscribe for more. In this one, we have Jason's R34 4-door beta missile. Once was a street car, has seen many track days and much abuse. This thing is a miracle motor though. Inside of this beast is the factory non-turbo RB25 Neo motor. It's had a turbo slapped on the side of it, a big hypergear ATR something or other, high mount. And it's been making like 350 kilowatts for a good amount of time now. It's done lots and lots of events, never skipped a beat. It's an absolute testament to the NA DE plus T setups. And in this one, we're gonna be taking it back to the dyno and throwing more boost at it and seeing how much you can actually push a DE plus T, NA plus T. Pop the hood. It's an absolute work of art under here, of course, you know how we like to do it at COOORRREEY.
How you going there, mate?
Oh! What is that? Super basic setup, standard coil packs, standard intake. It's got some COOOORRREEY manufacturing.
Yeah, my favourite part is the fact that this goes all the way over there. It comes all the way back around here.
It's got the extra long piping for the extra long dose. If you haven't seen how to dose video, you can go check it out, but hang around, this one's gonna be cool. 6-boost manifold, hypergear turbo, 1000cc injectors, adaptronic ECU, bigger fuel pump, factory fuel lines, fuel reg, standard radiator, standard fan that's shredded. Doesn't get hot, doesn't miss a beat. This thing is insane. Keep it simple, stupid. But yeah, she's going back to the dyno and gonna cram a bit more boost in there. So stay tuned, we'll see what a NA plus T can really do. Super responsive, it has like 200 PSI of compression on all cylinders because of the NA motor. Just loves it. We've got head studs and gasket in this thing. It lifted a head last time it was on a dyno over a year ago, and I actually did an overnight head gasket swap on it before a round of SA drift. Stayed up till like 2 AM, ripped the head off and put in a used metal gasket and used ARP studs. And it hasn't missed a beat since. Gang! So whoever says you can't reuse head gaskets, you're lying. These cars are getting a freshen up, exterior wise. All the Reet fleets, we have like just bought a bucket load of fiberglass parts. It's gonna be getting wide body front, wide body rear, new side skirts, new rear bar. This front bar is just going to get cleaned up, I think, and maybe some fresh liveries. Got some bits over here. It's got like BN style stuff or your ass stuff. Got some fenders, side skirts. There's more coming. Lots of goodies. They're getting a refresh. Maybe some new doors. They've had some rubbing. Before we get into the dyno video, might give you a little bit of a workshop update because we've been doing some cool stuff. Doing a bit of rearranging and I like it. First of all, in this factory, we got the tyre changing station to move all this out of our workshop, give us a bit more space. It's a bit messy right now. Corey's been here. This is where tyres come to die. Not bad. All right, into the workshop. Alright, in the workshop. This is where the tyre racks and tyre changes used to be. We had the new apprentice, which we'll introduce soon to the vlogs, whip up this welding table. Ooh, Corey's giving it a bloody quick run right now.
So far it works.
Works good. Got some new racking and shelving, which is nice. Got all our alloy and stainless bends and tube organised. It's still a work in progress, it's not finished yet, so go easy in the comments. Corey's whipping up a spicy exhaust on the Z. Ooh, brand new Z, stay tuned. And there's a couple of spicy AUs sitting in here too. Ooh. Ooh. And a motor. Ish, that's Kang. All right, now we'll head down to the dyno, my main man Corey took the R34 down there and did some vlogging. If you want to support the Corey, there is now Corey stickers on the website. 0% of revenue raised actually goes to Corey. But head over, get yourself some Corey stickers and check out what this NA Plus T R34 can do down at BSC Performance.
That's so rude. No stickers with my name, I get no money. Alright guys, on this one, we've been back from, where'd we go? Well, Darren Kelly drove the 34 and then Jace drove it in at Malala. Just had a fair bit of work done to it. After Malala, me and Jace were going over it, trying to fix things, like the steering was doing all weird stuff, obviously broke the knuckle. I fixed that with a gasless MIG at the track, brought it back, cut it all up, cleaned it all up, welded it up properly with the TIG. So that's all sorted now. As I was doing that, I realised like every single ball joint and just a bunch of stuff underneath the thing was bent, and just like the ball joints are all cooked and stuff like that. So we've replaced everything. We've sent it down to Marcus. He's aligned it again. He did find another issue, which was where the tie rod and the ball joint slips into the knuckle. The taper that it slipped into, the little spacer, was actually loose in the knuckle, so I pulled that all apart as well, welded that up so that's nice and tight now, and we are currently down at old mate Bogger's shop. I'm going to chuck it on the dyno, push it a little bit more. Jace said it fell down on power, so we'll just have to see what it makes here. The last time it was tuned, I'm pretty sure they stopped tuning it because it started lifting the head at docks, which is a fair while ago. This thing's just ran and ran and ran, so I'm kind of worried it's going to just go and blow up, but whatever. Yeah, so it lifted the head. Jesse took it back to the factory, put a second-hand head gasket in it, some second-hand studs, and it has just been perfect ever since. So I don't know if Jace is going to break the curse on it or what this time, but we'll just have to see how it goes. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. Had a bit of an issue on the dyno. It was misfiring pretty bad, as you probably maybe see in the video. I don't know if Adam's going to put it in or not, don't know. But yeah, misfiring real bad. Just pulled all the coil packs out, and a couple of the plug holes were filled with water. So that's good. Obviously, I had it all covered up last night, but driving here it was raining, so it's obviously got a bit of water in there. On the drive down this morning, so if it happens, we'll run it up again and see what happens. So the misfire issue is fixed. It was just the water in the holes, in the plug holes. Just did the first run, and 399 kilowatt, which ain't bad considering it's the first run. So obviously Bob can do his thing and fix it all up, and hey, you might make the same power as all the other cars, you never know. So what do we got going on here?
Bit spicy. So she's making 685 newton meters on 25 pounds.
And it's real early, isn't it, too?
Yeah, I reckon, yeah, it's like peak torque's pretty much at 4,200 through to 6 grand. So I reckon we just leave it there. He will break it. I mean, he's going to hit a wall anyway.
Bin it or win it. Yeah, there you go. There's a bunch of graphs. Don't know what they do. Torque. Boost. Boost. Boost.
Yep, done. Bend it.
Yeah, basically this is the freak motor. It's the original motor that came in this car. We turboed it, then we upgraded like everything, and then it's just loved life, like, yeah. And now it's made 411 kilowatt, 25 pound. I think we'll leave it there because we don't want to kill it. Not that. All right, well, that's a wrap. Maxed it out. Well, we didn't really want to push it much further. So it's 411 kilowatt, 600 and something Newton meters. Makes peak torque at 4,300-ish, which is really good. Comes on boost heaps earlier than it used to. I think we've fixed the chattery gate issue, which is like Jace hated it, I hated it, like it just doesn't sound good. So the gate snaps open now. The clutch feels good. It's got, I forgot to mention, it's got a brand new, well not brand new, but a rebuilt, so all new plates and everything. I think it's an ORC twin plate. It might be an OS Geekin twin plate, not sure. It's also got a brand new 25 turbo box. So yeah, we thought we'd give the car a bit of love, especially when after all the shit that happened in South Australia. We decided to give it a bit of an overhaul, fix everything that was wrong with it, put some new bits and pieces in it, get it tuned, and I mean, it's over 400 now. It's almost the same as the 32. But yeah, that's about it. Like and subscribe. Yeah. Oh, true. There's COOORRREEY stickers. Go buy a COOOORRREEY sticker.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I want the money, the power, respect, and I heard you know so-and-so, you not a threat, cause I really know so-and-so, they like my family.